Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Portland leathers unboxing. These are from their C grade sales. So if you are not familiar with that, they have their regular listing, their premium listing, and then on their website you can also find the almost perfect section, which is discounted. And then occasionally, maybe 2 to 3 times a year, they will do this C grade sale with deeply discounted price. So from my experience in the past, I think most of their C grade sales bags are their typical standard colors from their website. But with them bringing in more colorful bags, I think you definitely will see unicorn bags show up occasionally. But I would say the majority of them are their standard colors. With C grade sales, you don't know the color and sometimes you don't know how is the condition. I have seen that many bags show up just looking perfect to their customers, but occasionally I do see bags that show up with a few more flaws. So it will be interesting to see what kind of bag I'm getting from these C grade sales. Let's open the first one first. This one is their medium crossbody bag. I have considered purchasing their large OS Tote mystery box, but to be honest, I just haven't been using large bag as much lately. So I thought the crossbody bag would be perfect for me, even though I have been buying and increasing the number of crossbody bags I have. We'll see what I'm getting this time. As long as these are not pink or purple or red, I'm happy. I can do brown because I love their brown bags, and recently I'm really in love with their honey leather. So I probably will get more honey leather bag from them soon. Let's take it out. Have their thank you note, I believe. This is a brown bag. This is their cold brew. It's beautiful. So this is another cold brew bags I got from them. This is their full-size crossbody bag, and now I have a pair. This is the medium crossbody bag. By checking at this bag briefly, I don't see too many flaws on them. Other than the pebble texture is not as even as what you would see on premium bags. Personally, I love this kind of stuff, so this is perfect for me. Going to show you the bag closer. I love this kind of pebble leather texture. I'm happy with this purchase. It was a great deal and I would definitely use this bag. It's good to get bags that I can use, because I really try not to buy too many bags that I can't use. Now let's open up the second item. This is their full-size crossbody bag. Came with the thank you notes. This is a black color. I believe this is their smooth black leather. It may be hard to believe after having so many of Portland leathers bag. I think this may be my first smooth black leather bags from them. Try to show you the bag up close. It does have some texture on them, which is totally fine. I have to look at this closer because right now I think this bag looks perfect to me. Definitely happy with a black color bag. Fall and winter are coming and this will be useful. I consider myself incredibly lucky this time. Let me know if you have bought anything from this C grade sales and what do you get. I'm really happy with this purchase because these are the colors I can use, and so far I don't have duplicate in my collection, so basically it's perfect. Before I finish up, I thought would let you compare the medium crossbody and the full-size crossbody. The size is actually pretty similar, except the medium crossbody is a little bit shorter and the full size is taller. So it really depends on what kind of shape you like. Thanks for joining me today for this quick Portland leather unboxing, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!